Hello dear lady and gentle nerds, my name is Hendrik and welcome to another episode of 10 Minutes Tuesday. Still don't have a name for this, so let me know your suggestions in the comments if you have an idea. Today I'm going to share my Privateer Press spring cleaning mystery box haul with you. Not much talking, let's dive right in. So as you probably know by now, I'm a big Privateer Press fan. I have bought into their game Warmachine some 15 years back, so I'm quite a long time already with them. And I really enjoy the Warmachine and Hordes game that they make. So this spring they had the second edition of the mystery box, and it's pretty simple. You pay $70 US plus shipping and import duties, so in the end that is around 115 euros. That's what we paid, and for that you get actually $300 US value of Privateer Press goods. And because it is a mystery box, it's a mystery of what you're getting, as the name suggests. One thing all the mystery boxes always have in common is that they are from one faction, and I do think that this mystery box is a great way to get started with a Privateer Press army. Because it's a mystery box, you really don't know what it is, but because it's always from one faction and it's $300 worth of miniatures, I think it's a very good start to get started with the game. If you're interested in the mystery boxes, I left a link to them in the description. I don't have any relationship with Privateer Press, so this is just because I'm a big fan of the brand and I really like their games. I ordered 4 mystery boxes and I ordered them together with 3 friends, and before they arrived we noted down what each of us would be wishing for. So the Trollbloods and the Circle of Orboros, they're accounted for, but the Convergence of Cyriss and the Mercenaries over here, we still need to figure out who takes what. So I do think that it's good if you can order it with friends if you're living in Europe, because that saves quite a lot of money on shipping. And as I said, we paid import duties something a little bit over 100 euros, so that in the end each of us paid around 115 euros. So that's $70 for the mystery box, a lot of shipping, and then the import duties on top of that. So I still think that 115 euros is not a bad price for getting started with this game. I think it's a really great value, and as I said, if you're interested in starting a Warmachine or Hordes army and you don't mind what it's going to be, then the mystery boxes are a really good start to getting a faction. So on my right over here, the first mystery box, it is the Trollbloods. We got the Creel Warriors, Trollkin Warder unit, the Scatter Gunners, a Tamper Crew Weapon Crew unit, and a Swamp Troll. There's also the Trollbloods command book, and there is a novel there, and then you get always also some tokens, Trollkin tokens, and then some of these pins. Next up in our haul we have the Convergence of Cyriss. Very nice. Of course, over here we have the Prime Axiom Colossal. That is one of those super big models, so if you get one of these in your mystery box, it probably will put a big smile on your face. They're really cool models, and of course also on the tabletop very powerful. We have then one of the heavy warjacks and 2 of the light warjacks. They're called vectors in the Convergence of Cyriss, but yeah, they're still warjacks. And then we have here a unit of obstructors, 10 of them, and also they had the template set and the token set, and then there's another universal token set with this mystery box. Then here on my left we have the Circle of Orboros. that has been quite a lot of stuff that they got. We got 1, 2, 3 Argus light beasts, so different versions of the light beasts. We have a Rotterhorn Griffin and a Gorax. Then we have down here a Tarn Blood Pack unit. We have a unit of Warpon Skinwalkers, and we got the Gnarlhorn Riphorn Shadowhorn Satyr Heavy Warbeast. So that is quite a great set. There's also again the token set, the Universal Corpse and Soul token set, the command book, and pin. And I do think that has been a really great set. And I am very happy that this mystery box goes to somebody of our group that doesn't play Warmachine and Hordes yet, and that he gets such an amazing start to his faction. So it's going to be a lot of fun to see the Circle Orboros on our tabletops. And finally, on the complete left, we have the Mercenaries and the Krix unit that have been in the mystery box. That are 2 heavy monster war beasts, or war jacks actually. Then we got the mercenary unit of the Cephalix Mindbenders and Drudges. Then we have the Krix unit of pretty much the same thing, the Cephalix Mind Slavers and Drudges. And we have a unit of Steelhead Halberdiers or Riflemen. Also a really great set. And here we also have 1 mercenary Cephalix Dominator. We got a token set and the universal tokens. And to round things out, there were also 4 novels in the books, so 1 per mystery box. So we got the Blood of Kings, which is a really great book. The Acts of War Flashpoint book, also a really great book. Another great book are the Black Dogs. I have read actually all of these. And then finally Into the Storm. So 4 really great novels from the Iron Kingdoms universe. I really enjoy this steampunk universe. So I'm really excited that we have some of these novels that then our group can read and get even more into the games and the background of the game. So yeah, overall I think we had a really great haul with our mystery boxes, and I'm looking forward to getting one of these factions and starting to paint them up. As I said, the Trollbloods and the Circle Orboros are already accounted for. Now we just have to figure out who gets the Mercenaries and who gets the Convergence of Cyriss. But I do think that's also not a problem to figure that out. If you have ordered a mystery box from Privateer Press, let me know in the comments what was inside of yours. I'm always curious to see and hear what other people got. And if you're curious to get one yourself, the offer is as long as stock lasts. So don't think too long if you want one of these, and just hit the order button. It's a really good deal. If you enjoy this kind of geek content, consider subscribing. My videos are very different. Sometimes they're outdoor related, so hiking and backpacking and also skiing. And sometimes they are this kind of geek stuff, because I am a multifaceted person and I do different things. And as always, if you have a question, leave it in the comments underneath and I will get back to you ASAP. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.